I better be running on 10. Go till it ends. You don't wanna be one of my enemies. I'm cooking, I turn up the heat and you're everyone looking. They trying to see all the work that I put in, but I'm moving too fast, so they losing their footing. I run with the crew that's making the moves. Get out of the way, we coming through. We got this, never stop it, and we won't lose. No, we can't lose.
So much he's showing me, shaping me, growing me, taking me sowing seeds, a growing tree, y'all get a load of me. Yeah, don't let them slow me. I get the bag like a grocery. I'm on my grind like I'm supposed to be, and I do not care if you notice me. Boxes, boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, stop it. Quitting is never an option. Exhausted, exhausted. Exhaustion is never exhausted. Nah, you cannot stop it. This isn't a robbery. Hands in the sky if you got a dream. Or nothing was blocking me. I was the only one stopping me. I didn't like it, I had to refocus. Now I'm devoted, I know where I'm going. Controlling emotions
have this little intermission, go ahead and check to see that you're subscribed to this channel. If you're not, make sure to hit that big red button down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and like this video before this intermission is over.
Hardly know that I exist. Think you're the best, but get ready for the plot twist. Watch this. Are you ready for it? Watch this. Can you feel it? Watch this.
I build my wall, but you're just knocking me down brick by brick. There's a river in a valley headed towards me. I cut my colors, got my head back, and it flows.